Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin access and any API key Hshop may require. This saves wasted steps later. Once logged in, go straight to the Themes area and identify the theme ID and version you want to export. While you do that, make a quick backup of your store files and database. Use the built-in snapshot or export tool, because if anything fails, you can restore. This first action prevents data loss and speeds up the next extraction steps. Next, you export the theme using Hshop's export or download command. Pick full export to include templates, assets, and config. If the dashboard requires an API call, call the theme's endpoint with your auth token and the theme ID. Paginate if assets are large. Once the zip finishes, download it and inspect manifest. JSON to confirm version and dependencies. Make sure templates, asset folders, and config files are present. This verification step avoids surprises when you install the theme elsewhere. Finally, upload the theme. Zip to the target store or your development environment and enable it for preview. You should test the homepage, product pages, and responsive breakpoints. Compare settings and appearance to the original so nothing changed. If something breaks, check browser console errors, confirm all assets were included in the package, verify file permissions, and clear caches, both server and browser. If the problem persists, revert to your backup and re-export with verbose logs to spot missing files or steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.